Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how we can create cool looking Minecraft thumbnails with using Canva only. So this tutorial will be very quick and easy, and we will be using Canva editing only. And if you like thumbnails like this and this, so you just have to watch this video till end and you will get to know how to make creative and good looking thumbnails for Minecraft games. So you need to log into your Canva account. So I'm right now logged in, and I would recommend using Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, I'm linking my video in the description. You can follow that video and it will help you get Canva Pro for free. Okay, so you can just watch my video, follow the steps, and you will get the Canva Pro for free. And then just come back and log into your Pro account like I am on my Pro account, and then we have to, on the top right corner you will see create design. So we'll have to click that, and here you can search for YouTube thumbnail. So just write YouTube and it will give you plenty of options. So here's the YouTube thumbnail option, so I just click on that. Okay, so now the Canva has selected the YouTube thumbnail size automatically, so you don't have to worry about the size because we have already selected the built-in size for Canva thumbnail. Okay, now in order to create any thumbnail, you need a background image that you will be using, and a subject that you will be using, and then we need to add some text. So basically these are the three steps. So the kind of thumbnail I'm creating I have already shown you, so I'll create that exact thing. But if you want to create something custom, you just have to take screenshots from your gameplay. So just go into your game and search for something, a good background or something that you will think YouTube viewers will like seeing. So you just take that background, and then you can take screenshot of your character. So any character you like, you just take screenshot of that. So let's say I have took some screenshots here, so let me show you. Okay, so these are some screenshots that I have taken. So let's say I like this one as a background, so I'm selecting that. Okay, so it will, when you will upload it, it will appear on the left side. You just have to click it and it will come on your canvas where you are basically editing it, and then you just have to expand it to fit in the size of the thumbnail area. Okay, so this one I particularly so yeah, this background I loved it because it's kind of very cool looking site. You have mountains and you have, you know, clouds and everything. But I don't like these small characters here because they don't have a big impact. So we want to create a thumbnail that is, you know, catchy. So I have another image here of this horse character. So I like this one. So what I want to do is that I will remove its background. So for removing background we need to have Canva Pro. Yeah, so to remove background of this image we need to have a Canva Pro account. So we just select this image and go into edit image on the top left corner, and then this is the background remove. So it automatically removes your background, but now it removed its background, but the characters along this horse character are still there and the ground is still there. So we don't want to keep that. So what we can do is that we can again go into background remover and click on this thing, and here you can raise the background as custom using a brush. So you can increase the size of brush. This will basically raise your background. So we can do it customly too, because this is a bit of a complex image. If you have a simple image, it will just remove everything from behind your subject. Okay, sorry, let me put my laptop on charging. Okay, so just remove it like this. Okay, so I'm doing it customly just to according to my needs. And if you made a wrong step, you can always go on the left side. There's an arrow of undo, or you can press Ctrl Z and it will bring it back. But if you did it one step, it will bring it all back. So make sure to leave the click again and again, so that it so let's say I did this, and if I undo, it will only undo the first step. So just make sure to delete things in many steps by clicking and unclicking the mouse button. Okay, now our subject's background has been removed, so it doesn't have to be very perfect, but just make sure that nothing is looking awkward. So just make sure everything is deleted perfectly. Okay, now what you want to do is you just go back, click this arrow, and you're back on your subject. Now your subject is there without any background, so you can place it like here. You can also remove these people as well if you want, but for the sake of this video, I think if I put this horse here, they don't even are visible from behind. So let me let me put it here. Okay, so now it looks like this. Okay, so you don't see the people in the background. Okay, now you want to add some text here, so you just go into the text option here, and you have plenty of options here. Let me show you the simple option we have here. Is you just have to add a text box here, and then go into the fonts, and then write a gaming font. So just write game or something like that, and there you have a text called Arcade Gamer. Okay, so it looks really cool. If you want to use it, let me show you how it looks. Okay, so you have Minecraft game. Okay, so you can increase its size. I will be making 2-3 variations of this so that you understand. Okay, so now it is looking quite good, but we want to make this text more visible. So we have two options here. You can go into effects and then lift this, so it will add a shadow behind this. Now you can see this text is more impactful, right? And let's say if you don't like the colors, or let's say you want to make it look like this one. Let me show you you see this text is looking cool. Okay, so let's make a copy of something similar to this. Okay, so what we will do is that we will go back to our Canva, go into uploads. I'm going to upload this picture here so that we can copy its color. So I'm gonna select my text, and then this is the text color button. So I just click that, and here's the color picker. So I click there, and this is the picker. Okay, just click that, bring it to the place where you want it to pick the color from. So let's say I want to pick the color from here. So now it's converted to that. So the color is there. Now we want to basically give it an outline, a dark outline. So go into effects again, give it an outline, and make sure it is kind of a darker one, or maybe just pick that color from the same thing. Okay, like this. Okay, now increase its thickness, and as you can see, it looks cool. Okay, now let me show you one thing more. If you go into your elements here, and you write Minecraft. Okay, there you go. You will see a lot of items available in that. So go into graphics and just you will also see photos here and videos here that you can use for your thumbnails. So let me show you the photos first. As you can see, there are like very cool photos here that you can use, and they are all about Minecraft. So you can use them. They are free for, you know, commercial kind of use. You can use them in your YouTube thumbnails without having any copyright. And then go into graphics and you will find these cool things. You have sword here, you have hearts here. Let me put some hearts under the Minecraft, you know, to create a beautiful looking thumbnail. You can also use this heart as well. So let me put that as well. Okay, one more important thing is that you have Minecraft logo characters here, so you can use them to write Minecraft as well. So I showed you the gaming font, and now you have the original Minecraft font here as well. So you can resize them, you can use them. So let me actually do that quickly. Okay, I have arranged the letters in same size, so I can just put them where I want to. So I can remove the already written Minecraft here, and I can select all these letters like this. And if you selected something extra, just press shift and click button, so it will remove from the selection. Okay, so let me put them here. Okay, and let's put our heart buttons here. Okay, so as you can see, I can pretty much use a lot of stuff from Canva itself. And then we have text option here. So let me write something like add a button. So we have a text option here, so we can just write something here and use our same font. So I'm writing custom thumbnail. Okay, and again, if you look at this this Canva thumbnail kind of is not visible enough, so we can always lift it by using the shadow, or we can just give it a outline so that it is more visible. So let's say a Minecraft Canva thumbnail. Okay, so I have used this kind of stuff here. So now you can, you know, play with it. Let's say I don't like this big sized hearts, so I can just make them smaller. And I don't like this Minecraft font as well, so I can make that smaller as well. So now the mountain is also visible and everything is visible. Okay, and let me make this bigger because I'm showing you, and I will be using this thumbnail on my YouTube video as well. Okay, so this is your Minecraft Canva thumbnail tutorial. I hope you like it. It's very simple. You can play with it. You can create whatever you want from it. You just need an object, and then you need a background. So that should be a good location, and then you can use these kind of items and fonts to basically create something good looking. So let's say if you want to change its color, you can also do that. So right now I'm using the white one because it is kind of more impactful. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial, and it helped you. If it did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with new videos. Thank you.